Welcome to Build for the Build. I've been building things for a long time, but just recently started showcasing it on YouTube. Well, crude but efficient. My builds are fast, often borderline crude and most certainly not pretty, but almost always working. Today's solution lets me charge a single battery at a time. My current charger takes 4 batteries at a time, and some of my things use an odd number of batteries. First part, my favorite discipline, 3D design. One room for the charger circuit. This one is bought online, Aliexpress. One room for the battery and spring contacts. A recess to grab and remove the battery. Recesses at each end for the spring contacts to slide into. Cutting base plate down to size. Raise corners for the charger circuit board to rest on. Clean up the 3D print. Mount the circuit board. This one is meant for nickel metal hydride batteries. Measure cable lengths and cut them. Solder the wires to the springs. Mount the springs in the 3D printed recesses and fasten them by melting the plastic on top. Tin the wire ends Remember to set the correct supply voltage, in this case 5 volts. Then attach the voltage. LED turns on, so battery charging. If you set out to make this yourself, please be aware of the chemistry of the battery. The one I have are NiMH, a short for nickel metal hydride battery. And yes, the battery has been charged. After 20 minutes of charging, the power rating is 1.4 volt as expected, so my single battery charger is ready for household usage. Like and subscribe.